1. Hook 1 to design cloud systems that are efficient, scalable, and cost-effective. Thinking like a cloud architect is key. Stick around, and I'll show you how to make informed decisions that'll elevate your skills. This leads to wasted time and resources, frustrating both engineers and stakeholders. Understanding how to think like a cloud architect will help you make better decisions and build resilient systems. 3. The simple explanation: understand the business needs. Your cloud architecture should align with company goals. Design for scalability. Anticipate growth in traffic and user demand. Ensure security. Protect your data and infrastructure from threats. Optimize for cost. Keep an eye on your budget to avoid unnecessary expenses. By keeping these principles in mind, you can create cloud solutions that meet requirements without compromising performance. 4. Real-world example. Let's look at a real-world scenario. A startup, Tech Genius, developed a web application for online learning. Initially, they opted for a single server on AWS. They assumed that this would be sufficient. However, after a successful marketing push, they experienced a surge in users, up to 10,000 concurrent users in 1 week. The single server couldn't handle the load. The application crashed, leading to a loss of revenue and frustrated users. They quickly learned the hard way about scalability. In the end, they migrated to a microservices architecture, utilizing AWS Elastic Beanstalk and Amazon RDS for their database. This allowed them to scale automatically. After the changes, uptime improved to 99.9%, and user satisfaction increased significantly. 5. What to do instead. Here's how to think like a cloud architect, step by step. 1. Identify business objectives. Talk to stakeholders. What are the goals? Is it user growth, revenue, or data collection? Define success metrics. For instance, a 20% increase in user engagement within 6 months. 2. Assess current resources. Evaluate existing infrastructure. What's already in place? Is it capable of handling increased load? Check performance metrics. Analyze CPU usage, memory, and response times. 3. Design for scalability. Decide on architecture type. Monolithic versus microservices. Set thresholds. For example, if CPU usage exceeds 70%, initiate scaling actions. 4. Implement security measures. Use identity and access management. Limit permissions to what's necessary. Set up firewalls and regular audits. Ensure your systems are secure from breaches. 5. Monitor and optimize costs. Use tools like AWS Cost Explorer or Google Cloud Billing. Identify where you're overspending. Set budget alerts. For example, receive notifications if costs exceed 80% of your set budget. 6. Review and iterate. Schedule regular reviews. Check if performance metrics align with business objectives. Be flexible. Adapt your architecture based on new business needs or user feedback. 6. Common mistakes. Here are 5 common mistakes engineers make when thinking like a cloud architect, along with how to avoid them. 1. Neglecting business goals. Fix. Always align your architecture with business objectives. Hold regular meetings with stakeholders. 2. Over-engineering solutions. Fix. Start simple. Build the minimum viable product first. Then enhance as needed. 3. Ignoring security. Fix. Incorporate security from day one. Use best practices like encryption and IAM policies. 4. Underestimating costs. Fix. Monitor usage closely. Utilize cost management tools to avoid surprises at the end of the month. 5. Failing to document. Fix. Create comprehensive documentation. Include architecture diagrams and decision rationales. This will help future engineers understand your choices. 7. Quick checklist. Before wrapping up, here's a quick checklist for thinking like a cloud architect. Have you identified business objectives? Are your resources assessed and documented? Is your architecture scalable and secure? Are you monitoring costs effectively? Do you have a review process in place? 8. Summary plus CTA. Thinking like a cloud architect means understanding the business, designing for scalability, ensuring security, and optimizing costs. By following this step-by-step framework and avoiding common pitfalls, you can enhance your cloud engineering skills. If you found this video valuable, drop a comment with your thoughts and subscribe for more insights into cloud architecture. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.